Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by staying on the network whose key you need. Once connected, open your phone browser and type the router's local IP address. Common examples are 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. You need the router admin credentials next because the router stores the Wi-Fi key. Make sure you have either the administrator login or the physical router sticker with defaults. If you don't know the IP, check your phone's Wi-Fi details to find the router. After you log in, the router interface may look different across brands, so scan the navigation for wireless, Wi-Fi, WLAN, or security sections. Those contain the network key. Once inside wireless settings, find your SSID entry. Routers often label the secret as password, passphrase, PSK, or network key. You may need to click an edit or show icon to reveal masked characters. Enter the admin password again if prompted. Take note of the exact characters, including capitalization and symbols. Once the key is visible, copy it exactly. Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive and often include symbols. Then test it by reconnecting a device. If it connects, you've confirmed the correct network security key. Make sure to store the key securely, for example in an encrypted notes app, and avoid sending it in plain messages. If you cannot access the admin interface because credentials are unknown, you can try the default admin username and password on the router sticker. If that fails, you must factory reset the router as a last resort. This erases custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.